Hey y'all. Hey. Am I gonna slide through like I haven't disappeared in 10 months? Yes. Yes I am. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I was gone for 10 months. Some of you deserve an explanation. I was depressed, broke, failing all my classes, going through with my roommate. I wasn't here. I was here, but I wasn't here. You know what I'm saying? Hi. So I'm here because I'm moving out. I'm moving out. My lease ends next month. I move out in 2 weeks because I was like, girl, I gotta get no, I'm leaving in 2 weeks. So, and I was like, oh my god. I went on my YouTube the other day for the first time in months and saw that I reached 500 subscribers. I did not know. The last time I was on YouTube, I was like at 300. I did not know I hit 500. So I want to say thank you so much for the ones who have subscribed to me, even though I was MIA for almost a year. Well, I got another cat and all during this time. My hair's pink. Freaking, there all type of stuff been going on. I got a new job. I'm in school again, girl. A lot of stuff happened. But I was starting to pack up my room and I realized I never filmed a room tour from my room before. So I wanted to go ahead and film that and show y'all my room before I take everything down, and then I can do my moving vlogs. Y'all can see me moving, do my empty apartment tour, because I'm moving into my own apartment by myself this time. So it's gonna be me and the 2 cats. It's gonna be an all-girl house. And it's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. So I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all my room before I start taking down. Alright, so when you first come in my room, here's the door, the carpet, my slides. Ignore that, the cats was chewing on that when I locked them in my bedroom one day. But when you first come in, you see my bed. Behind the door there's nothing. There's a trash can with a little bit of trash, workout equipment that I've never used but I've had for like over a year. And then over here I got Christmas cards and stuff through the years that I managed to save because I want to get better at saving my cards. But here's just a few. This is even from high school, girl. That was like 3 years ago. But this is my window. I got vines across my window. That's from Amazon. The 25% white in me jumped the fuck out. And I got a crazy cat lady little thingy. Speaking of, this Luna. Hi. Hi, booty. Laid up like she do a 9 to 5. There's a poster I got from Redbubble. My tapestry, Redbubble. My bed is Wayfair. That pillow is, girl, I want to say Ross. This pillow is from Amazon. This comforter is from Target. I got my computer, and then I got an extension cord with all my plugs for my computer and my phone. So this is the overview of that. And my second cat that I got, Mavis, y'all never met Mavis. Mavis under the bed probably. I don't know what Mavis said, but I got this rug I got off of Amazon. And then I got my nightstand. I try to drink a gallon a day, so this is the whole gallon. Clearly I'm not done with it. And then I got my candle. I'm addicted to candles. So I got a picture of me and my girl Kayla from like 5 years ago, 6 years ago, freshman year of high school. Hey boo. I got my everyday bag, my Alex drawers, another picture of me and Kayla from freshman year. Sis we is ugly, love you though. My keys. Back up over here, these are Amazon boxes and stuff that I've already packed for the move. I moved them out the room so we can get a clear view of the room. Here's my little 32-inch TV. And it says the cats, here's their bowls and their water, my laundry basket, my mirror. These posters are also from Redbubble. Y'all already know Darling of the Franks, Fruit Basket, and Oron Host Club. Her, do not play with me. The little cat house, one of them, they got 2. I got these off of Amazon. I got this off of Amazon, and this mirror off of Amazon. So this is how this corner looks. Back up over here, I got a trash can under there. I think it's from Target. My school book bag that I haven't used in 3 years. This chair that I sit on to do my makeup, it's from Bed Bath & Beyond. No, Home Goods. It's from Home Goods. I got my little dingy desk, but you know, for free. I got it from my girl Morgan. Morgan, love you. I got this holder for my jewelry from TJ Maxx. It's overflowing, but I bought me another one, but that's packed away for the apartment. I got my mirror, my other mirror, my bigger mirror, my light so I can do my makeup. This is what you was propped on at the beginning of the video. My makeup brushes, and then I got more vines up here to cover up the LED lights that I did not have, but it came out cute. I put flowers at the top and all. Like it looked nice, it looked cute. And then it's back over here. So this is like the overview of the whole room. Nothing much. Stuff be expensive, y'all, but and it already took down a little bit of stuff. So, and then you come in here to my bathroom. The lights are from Walmart, and I can control the lighting with my phone, so I can change the colors and stuff like that. Here is oh, and I got a mirror right here that I never use. I keep forgetting I even have. And then I just got I got hair stuff in this drawer, cleaning supplies in here, a bunch of hair dye and razors and stuff in here, my like everyday products, toothpaste, perfume, makeup wipes, deodorant, all that. My rug is pink. My shower, got my hair supplies and stuff right there. The combs laying on the floor, child. My closet is closed because I've already started packing my closet, and it's just literally bags and boxes in here. And then behind the door is my toilet, and of course the cover is pink with, you know, wipes and stuff like that. But that's how the bathroom looks. Wish I had a tub, but whatever. And then one more overview of the room. Alright, y'all, so I am sorry for disappearing, and I know this was a really short video, but it wasn't much in the room. I want to start doing more like plus size hauls like I did on the last one, because I did get a good bit of stuff from Fashion Nova. So I might do that when I move into the new house, because I already packed up a lot of that shit and I'm not unpacking it. Sorry, love y'all, but not to that extent to unpack and repack. No ma'am. But I want to at least get something up here before I move. So you guys are going to be a part of that process, and I'm going to put polls and stuff on Instagram to help decorate the new place. It's going to look really cute, really pink, really colorful, and I'll see you guys probably in a week or two when I start moving. Love you.